Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Atom in Windows 11. So the first step, you need to search in Google download Atom, hit enter, and you need to open the first website, and then you need to click on this download button, and you need to wait for a few seconds here, and here you need to find Atom setup. So click here, and you need to download the setup from here like this, and it depend on your internet speed. Here you can see that mostly it take 1 to 2 minutes to complete this download. So you need to wait for few seconds here until it will get download. Okay, once it is download, click on open folder, click on this setup, open that, and now you can see that it will be launched once it is done. So you need to wait for few seconds here. So this is a process how you can download and install Atom in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.